Welcome to Geeker. Today, we're going to learn some of the basics of conditional formatting in Excel. So let's get started. Conditional formatting is used to help you to identify trends and patterns in an Excel sheet easily. So here I'm going to show you a couple ways to use this. So one example can be, let's say I want to highlight a particular set of cells based on some text. So I go right up here where it says conditional formatting, and where it says highlight cell rules, I'm going to go to the one that says a text that contains. And this one is going to allow me to be very specific in choosing the text that I want. So let's say I want to know any of the cells that say inactive, and then from here I can decide how I want to highlight them. You could do custom format, but from here I'm just going to highlight the cell with this red color. So I'm going to hit OK. And you notice the formatting is basically working because anything that says inactive is doing a fill of this red color. Okay, so let's try another example. In this column, I want to know who worked more than 8 hours. So I'm going to highlight the column or the area that I want to pull the data from. I go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and in this one I'm going to use the greater than option. So here, I want to know who worked more than 8 hours. Now, I want to make sure that I'm very specific to the style that I'm using, and because this is hours and minutes, I need to make sure to use this format as well. I'm going to change this one to say, let's say green fill with green text, and then I hit OK. And now, as you can see, our cells that are greater than 8 hours are highlighted in green. All right, let's try one more. This one is my favorite. So let's say I want to know if there are duplicates. So I like using this one because it helps me when I'm working with a lot of data. So I'm just going to highlight the name for the employees, and I'm going to click right here, and I'll click highlight cell rules, and right here it says duplicate values, and I'm going to click on that. And let's just say let's do custom format on this one because I want to show you how this works. And this one I could say, let's make it bold. Let's maybe change the color. We'll do it to this red color. And we can make our fill. Let's say we just want to make it more of a gray color, right? And then I hit OK. And now, as you can see, it's highlighting anybody who maybe their name is duplicated. There's a bunch of different options here with highlighting cells. There's also things that you could do with top and bottom values. Maybe you want the cells to highlight the top 10 items, the top 10%, above average, below average. There's so much that you can do. You can enter icons, but I just wanted to show you guys 3 just simple and basic ways to use conditional formatting in Excel. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how to clear your rules. So let's say I decide, all right, I don't want this rule here anymore. I could just go right back to conditional formatting, and right here where it says clear rules, I could do clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from the entire sheet. So for this example, I'm just going to do selected cells. But let's say I said, all right, I don't want any rules in my entire sheet. I just select all my data, and then I go to clear rules, rules from the entire sheet, and boom, we're done. And that's it. That's how we use conditional formatting in Excel. I hope this video was helpful, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.